Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Lexus GS 300. This four-door sedan has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 113,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows and window defogger.